In this video, we're going to show you to install the sway bar end link on your Dodge Charger located behind your rear wheels. Using a 22mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Grab the wheel and remove it, set it aside. Now right behind our brake rotor is our sway bar end link. It connects the sway bar down to the lower portion of the knuckle. Now we're going to use a 15mm wrench on the bolt side and a deep 16 for the nut side. I'll go ahead, loosen and remove that, pull that bolt out. Let's get up to the top. And due to the clearance up here, we can only use a couple wrenches. I'm using our gear wrench. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove this. Now we did spray both of these down with some rust penetrant before tackling this job. Always a good idea to do that. Slide the bolt out and remove that end link. Slide up the new end link. Work our bolt into it. Get that nut started. Now we're not going to tighten that. We want to keep that flexible. We come on down to the bottom side, install our bolt. Work that into the knuckle. Install the nut. Now I'm going to tighten down the bottom one first. Let's go ahead and tighten down the upper. With both of these tight, let's go ahead and torque those down. Let's torque down our nut to 45 foot-pounds. Do the same for the top. All right, at that point there, we can install our back wheel. We're going to repeat this process for the passenger side. At that point there, you're all set. Go ahead and grab your wheel. Set that into place. I'm going to go ahead and install all of our lug nuts. Thread them all, and then we'll go ahead and snug them down. Torque down your lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds. We're going to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.